Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to use distributive property with whole number coefficients. Here's our question. Use the distributive property to remove the parentheses. The question is 5 times into the parentheses y plus 6. We can use the distributive property when multiplying by a sum or difference. For our problem, we'll use the following version of the distributive property formula. Formula is basically a times b plus c. You can use the arrows to multiply and write it as a times b plus a times c. When we look at our question, we have 5 times y plus 6. We'll be using the arrows again. 5 times y, 5y. And in the second arrow, I have 5 times 6. That's going to be 5 times 6 right here. If I simplify this expression, that's going to be 5y plus 5 times 6 is 30 plus 30. The answer is 5y plus 30. Thanks for watching.